Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the world of beauty with honesty and expert insights. Today, let's talk about a manicure and pedicure essential that promises to elevate your nail care game: the Mundial Nail Care 3-piece set. If you're tired of struggling with cuticles that never quite look right, this might be just the tool set you've been searching for. But is it really worth the investment? Let's break it down. The Mundial 778 EP is a 3-piece set that includes a professional cold-forged stainless steel cuticle nipper, a duplex cuticle pusher and scraper, and a manicure stick. This kit is designed to make your home nail care routine as professional as it gets, no salon trip required. Let's dive into the features and see if it lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk about the star of the show, the cuticle nipper. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the Mundial 7778 EP nipper delivers precise and accurate trimming. It's durable and rust-resistant, which means it should last for years to come with proper care. The blades are sharp, making it easy to trim ragged or overgrown cuticles without causing discomfort or injury. The swiveling spring and protective cap are smart touches for safety, keeping those sharp blades covered when you're not using them. When it comes to performance, this set really shines. The ergonomic, textured handle of the cuticle nipper makes it comfortable to hold, even during longer sessions. I love how it gives you full control over the trimming process, which reduces hand fatigue. Trust me, that's a big deal if you've ever struggled with flimsy tools that don't hold up during the finer details of your manicure. Whether you're giving yourself a quick touch-up or going for a full pedi, this tool does the job effectively and with ease. But no product is perfect, right? While the nipper itself is impressive, the accompanying tools, like the duplex cuticle pusher and scraper, are a bit hit or miss. They're certainly helpful for pushing back cuticles and cleaning up the edges, but they don't have the same wow factor as the nipper. Still, they do get the job done. As for value for money, this set is priced higher than drugstore alternatives, but considering its build quality and precision, it's a fair investment if you want professional-grade tools at home. It's not a budget option, but it delivers solid performance and durability. If you're serious about your nail care, you'll appreciate the longevity of this set. In terms of alternatives, there are definitely less expensive cuticle nippers out there, but you might sacrifice precision and durability. The Mundial set feels like a long-term investment. If you're someone who regularly does their own nails and wants to avoid the frustration of subpar tools, this set could be well worth the price. One of the standout features of this set is its durability. The stainless steel construction means you don't have to worry about rust, and with proper cleaning, just warm water and mild soap, these tools should last for a long time. The comfortable grip ensures that you don't feel like your hands are giving out halfway through your session, something I know a lot of you will appreciate. Is this set for everyone? Not necessarily. If you're just getting started with nail care and don't want to spend a lot up front, this might be overkill. However, if you're someone who takes pride in your nails and enjoys professional quality results at home, I'd recommend giving this set a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried the Mundial Nail Care set, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.